Hi dear friends, welcome back to my channel. Today also I came with another video. Today my topic is this LG brand front loader washing machine. This is 19 kg washing machine. This machine actually we can run, we can switch in on everything, but the while washing spinning time it's making abnormal noise. Also machine not getting increasing RPM. That's mean spin cycle. For example, after selecting 1200 to 1000 rpm but not increasing rpm, machine making abnormal loud noise. And stable, that's mean times are not increasing or decreasing, it is time keeping stable, and also machine not going to high rpm. Now I'm going to repair this machine and I will show you how to repair, and we will go to the next step. Now dear friends, I already given power connection. Also I'm selecting direct spin cycle here. You can see it is showing 18 minutes. Now I will start the machine. That is 1000. I will increase the RPM also. I increase already 1100 RPM and I will start the machine. Door already got locked. Then pump also start to work. Now because of the checking, I already try to wash one Campbell big one, that is inside already having. This is the noise with this machine. According to the customer, it is while using time, machine making loud noise. Also it's not increasing rpm. That's been he is telling end of the cycle he is getting wet cloth only, not the dry cloth. Because of that we collected to the workshop. Now you can see the problem. This is the problem with this machine. I need to check with the load. Because of that I put one blanket. You can see it is rpm not increasing. This is the problem. Time also is stable, time also not decreasing, increasing. It is it's showing 9 minutes still. Now more than 5-6 minutes. You can see here it is very bad noise. It's trying to increase the rpm, but it's getting off again starting. Now we have to check the dampers. This is 3 dampers are there. Also top balance, sometime it may be loose connection. Because of that should be, but anyway we have to remove the front panel, front cover with the door. After that only we can understand. Dear friends, I already removed the back of the back cover also. Now we can check what happened. Now you can see RPM is increasing. At the same time it's too much vibrating. Definitely dampers also we have to check. This is the problem. Bearing and all okay, it's not making abnormal noise from the bearing. Yes, there you can see it is not increasing RPM. because we have to remove anyway now, and we will check. I will remove the front side, and after that we can understand. First of all, remove the top cover. After that we can remove front panel with the door, with the cover, everything. I will remove the here back of the screws. Now okay, we can take it out, top cover. Now dear friends, I didn't off the machine. Now we can check here. It's struggling machine, actually it's wobbling. Now it's shaking too much. Anyway, no need to waste time. I will remove the machine. That's mean. Now I will shut down the machine. And I have to remove here 2 screws. Now while we are going to remove the front the panel, here back of the panel having 2 screws, we have to unscrew that one also, otherwise it's not coming. Now we can take it out. It's like that. No need, just keeping like that. Now I will disconnect the door here, door switch, 2 screws. Here we have to remove screws. Now first we will remove the gasket ring here. We can remove like that. Slowly we have to take it out. After that we can release door gasket. Also slowly you have to do, otherwise this will get damaged. Now it's okay. We have to remove these screws. Now it's okay, I remove already. Now here 1 screw, that one not available at the moment, somebody removed before. Now we have to unscrew here 1, 2, 3, 4. Now I already unscrew all the screws. Now we can take it out. Here door with the front, you can see here it is already locked here. This one we can remove like that. Now it's okay. Now dear friends, you can see what is the problem with this machine. This one actually we don't know, the customer called to us. I went to the customer house and he informed to me 2-3 complaints. Because of that actually I collected. Now only I remove the machine. Now you can see what earlier technician did mistake who removed before. They fixed this one balance upside down. That's when it is wrong. It should go other side. That's why it's touching with the door and making unbalanced, machine not running well. Now we have to check the dampers also. The dampers, now dear friends, again I'm telling, the technician before who repaired this machine, I think they are not the professional technician. Because of that they fix upside down this one. That's why it's while spinning time this one coming and touching with the body. They did very big mistake actually. Now I will remove this one. Now I think you learn something, because if unfortunately you, if you put upside down, machine not running, machine not spinning. Now I will remove this one. Yes dear, now you can see, I don't know this technician how he did this work, because it is already here, it should come here, this side. It is he did actually very big mistake. Now anyway, we have to fix like that. It should come like that. This is the way how to fix this balance. Now I will tighten the screws, nuts again. Now dear friends, it is okay, the balance now I fixed correctly. Now I have to check the dampers. Because of that I have to little bit here lay down the machine here. Yes dear friends, nothing to worry about the dampers. Dampers are okay, you can see it is working properly, no any problem. Only the problem with the balance with this machine. Now I will fix again as same before. Now correctly I fix the balance. Now again I am fixing. It should be like that, should fix. Now it's okay. Now I will fix 4 screws are here. Yes dear friends, now I can fix front panel here. Also 2 screws are here. Now I'm going to fix back of the these 2 screws. Now dear friends, I have to fix door switch. Now dear friends, now I have to fix door gasket here. Now it's okay. Now I have to fix spring only. Now I have to fix spring. Don't forget that turn you have to fix anyway spring, because if it is not a spring, gasket will come out again. Now it's okay dear. Now we can try also, but anyway I will fix here 1 screw, because earlier it's not available. Now I will fix this one. Now I will fix this one also. Now I already fixed detergent drawer also. Now we will check one time. Now dear friends, I already given power connection. I will check before complete the job one time. I selected already direct spin cycle. Door already got locked. Now start to spin. Now it's not making abnormal noise. Now it's not touching with the front cover. Earlier technician, he did very big mistake. Now definitely it should increase RPM without any problem. If it is okay now, I can hand over to the customer also. Now dear friends, you can see it is increasing RPM. Before it's not like that. Before it's coming until 9 minutes. After that it's going stable, not decrease in time. Now it will increase the RPM because now it's balance not touching with the body. Top balance is proper. Just here. Now you can see it is increasing RPM. Just here you can see now. Now dear friends, you can see here. Machine is running well now without any problem, increasing RPM. I will show you the back of the machine also. You can see here. Now it is okay. My job already completed. Here also not any abnormal vibrating. Sub stable. That means dampers are okay. Now my job already completed. I have to fix only the top cover. Thanks for watching my channel. We will meet with another video very shortly. Thank you again.